Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable USB ports in BIOS on Huawei MateBook 14. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how to do it, you can watch a video on our channel on how to do it. Once that's done, go to the Advanced tab, and now you can find the USB port enable. And if you switch it off, then the USB ports won't be available in the system until you go into BIOS again and turn it back on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.